What's up everybody? Today I'm gonna show you how to take off these covers, these license plate covers. So this is gonna be a quick video because these things are easy to remove. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to go back here and we are going to take off the light bulb. Just turn it to the left and the bulb should come right off. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to remove this bolt right here, and then we are going to be able to take off this cover. So to put the new piece on, or the same piece, I don't know, is the same procedure you use to take it off, but obviously in reverse. So after taking off this bolt right here, we are going back here, and as you can see this piece right here, the cover, you have this longer lip than this one. So we are going to push right here. As you can see, the piece is almost out, and now from here we are going to push the cover to the right, to the longer lip, to bend it a little bit so the shorter lip can easily go off. As you can see right here, you move like that, and you just need to move the cover to take it off like this. As you can see right here, I managed to take it off, and this is how it looked like. So now you can replace it or clean it, I don't know. So I'm using just one hand, so sorry for the video like this. So I hope you like this video, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.